Okay, so it kind of said it had lost connection and it wasn't fixing itself, so I reshared it. I don't know how much of it you missed or saw. So this, I don't know whether it's like a big time jump forward or not. But here's where we are. So we're writing update lows. We have calculated the expected wind chance, the actual wind chance, and we're kind of working out the update step here, that we will update their ELO by, and then we will be done. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So total actual score for player is going to be, it's going to start at 0. This one's going to start at 0, and then we will kind of add to them as we go. And we're going to add actual wins of IJ. I'm going to have expected win chances of IJ. Then we're going to basically take the difference, var update amount equals, we do need to have the max adjustment thing passed down. Max adjustment per game. Max adjustment per game. Max adjustment per game. Update amount equals total actual score minus total expected score. So, I mean, if that does seem right, because this one's going to be positive if they've done well. Sorry, this is going to be positive if they've done well. Like if they've won everything, this will always be 1, and this will be something less than 1. And then I'm going to multiply that by max adjustment per game. And this is a double update amount. And then what we're basically doing is we're doing game results I dot player dot ELO, player ELO. Just call this ELO scores to make clear it's a plural. Game results I player dot ELO scores plus equals update amount. No, ELO scores of the game date time. So I guess I should also kind of say what game this was, so I can read that. I think I can init this one. Player of ELO scores of game results. What? Game result. Current game result. Current game result. So current game result of the player of the ELO scores of the current game results of the game of the date time is going to be player equals current player. It's going to be the current game result dot player. So the current player ELO score is going to be the current game date time. Is going to be the current player dot latest ELO score. So finally, I'm going to rename this to current ELO. to the latest ELO. Current player list plus update amount. Okay. There we go. So they are getting ELOs, and the ELOs are getting updated. Excellent. And then the only thing I might have to do is I might have to swap this over, but probably not. Let's give that a go. Let's see how the randomly generated players do. Build error, a message I get here. Oh yeah, because I'm not assigning the. Oh yeah, I made this required, which I shouldn't have because we don't know what it is when we set it. Hmm. Yeah, I don't like. I don't really want this to be nullable like this, but I think we might have to have it be. And then we go game equals game. So that's fine. That needs a semicolon at the end. And I basically, because I have the option of that being null now, I have to add this null suppression thing everywhere. I think I can get rid of this and the program will still run. We'll see. Okay, let's give that a go. Run random 20 auto. Okay, so our random 20 took, what's that, 28, 281 milliseconds? No, 28 milliseconds. That's more like it, isn't it? That's pretty good. 28 milliseconds, indeed. Players. The average. Okay, those are the average scores. But what about the ELOs? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to rename these variables so that when they show up in the debug thing, we can see them in like a more sensible order. Score minimum, also score min, score max, score average. Cool. So run random tourney auto, 20 milliseconds. Here is our tourney. Here are the players. Here are their latest maximum and minimum elos. This player this player had won early on, and then they kind of, it was all downhill from there. Their seeded skill was all right. It was average. Maybe there is something wrong. This player only went downhill, but they do have a 0.45 seeded skill. This player has an ELO min of -1200, which doesn't seem very good.